Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Ordinary Multi-Antioxidant Radiance Serum. This product retails for $14. This is a new complex formula from the Ordinary that combines 8 different antioxidants, including a stabilized form of vitamin C to deliver great hydrating, brightening, and also just general antioxidant benefits to the skin, at least they are claiming. I do want to start off by saying the Ordinary did send me this product, but they did not expect me to film a review to it. I did this because I always want to try out a new formulation from the Ordinary. This is looking very promising. I thought at first that this was a vitamin C free formula. I don't know where I got that impression. Looking at it now and looking over the ingredients, they do use a stabilized form of it. I am excited. There's a couple of ingredients that I'm a little bit nervous about. I'm not sure if it will work for me, just because some antioxidant serums have been hit or miss with my acne prone skin. I won't be able to testify for everybody's because everyone's acne is different, but still, I'm just wanting to see how this product reacts with me. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. The main things we're going to be looking for with it include what benefits do I notice with it. Not expecting to see any long-term brightening benefits because this is more of just a first impression review, but I am also wanting to see what I notice. It says it's supposed to hydrate, soothe. There's a lot of claims attached to this product. I also want to see what finish it leaves on the skin and how does it feel overall. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-in. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product. I've just used it once. I do enjoy that they went for the stabilized vitamin C approach to this, and also a little bit more of a complex formula with the antioxidants in this formula. I do notice that it is watery, and it is important to note that the vitamin C is stabilized because it's a color that you would expect with an oxidized vitamin C, but I mean, it's a stabilized form, so it's not gonna do that, but just beware. I know it can get confusing sometimes, but since they did use a stabilized formula, I'm glad that it's not going to oxidize. And also with this style of packaging, I don't like unstable vitamin C. So anyway, the stabilized version has proven to be very friendly for my skin at least, and hasn't caused any sensitivity, which I enjoy. You can see the drops there. It has been giving a nice radiance to the skin in terms of hydration. It's one of those things that when you instantly nourish your skin with a product like this, just makes my skin feel a lot more radiant. I look in the mirror or something and use a serum like this, it kind of just brings life back to my face. This is a very watery serum, so I would recommend going in close to your cleansing step. Almost pat it in a little bit. It's not sticky, it's not heavy, and it gives a nice radiance to the skin as well. I mean, obviously I've just used it once. With continued use of this product, I'm gonna see how it continues to like calm, or if I notice any of those benefits with it. I'm hoping I will see something with this product because it has some great technology in here. I feel like all of the claims that they have of it, I will be able to hopefully testify for. Only thing is more long-term brightening benefits. I will just have to wait and see if I'm able to use this product. There are a couple of ingredients in here I'm iffy on. I've experienced acne with some formulas, but I'm not for sure. All I know so far, no sensitivity, and it has been giving an instant radiant look to the skin. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. Even though I found the vitamin C derivative in this product to be very gentle, and also all of the antioxidants to provide a nice instant kind of hydration glow to my skin, I wasn't able to fully testify for the brightening benefits or all of the antioxidant benefits because I sadly was experiencing some breakouts when I continued to use this product consistently. Around the 4th or 5th day, I was experiencing little bumps around my cheek area and also my forehead area, and I hadn't added any other new product but this one. I'm not exactly sure what ingredient set off my acne. I know some of the antioxidants they've talked about using in this formula have set off my personal acne before. I really don't know which ingredient specifically it was, and I cannot testify for everybody's acne-prone skin. So here's the thing. I did find this antioxidant serum to be extremely gentle. I love the blend of antioxidants that they used in a formula like this. I feel like it really is loaded down and has some great hard-hitting ingredients that I feel like will show more results the longer that you will use it, if you are able to use it. I sadly am not. This product is just not for me, and honestly, if you have acne-prone skin, I would be leery of this product. I mean, I know me experiencing breakouts is not going to be universal. Since I did experience breakouts, I can't personally recommend it for someone with acne-prone skin, just as a personal recommendation. I do love that they used a stabilized vitamin C with packaging like this, because if they didn't, I would be really worried of it oxidizing. I don't like vitamin C in packages where it's exposed to light a lot, and I love that they used a stabilized version and derivative of vitamin C in this formula. I can't think of a gentle vitamin C formula that is stabilized for this budget friendly, but I do love the Educated Mess vitamin C. That is a little bit more expensive, but they used a stabilized version of vitamin C, and I didn't experience any new breakouts with that. If you're wanting the more antioxidant serum approach, I feel like the Jumiso Antioxidant Glow is a great formulation. They use gentle antioxidants that are substitutions for vitamin C, but you may find similar results with that formula as you do with this. If you're wanting a vitamin C free approach, I feel like if you're wanting to venture into this product, it's because you're looking for a more gentle, stabilized vitamin C, but also a great blend of antioxidants as well, because I feel like it is a great antioxidant serum. However, it just didn't work for my skin. And so for that reason, if you are acne prone, I'm not sure I would recommend this. If you look over the ingredients, you don't see anything you're sensitive to, I would recommend giving this a try if you're looking for a more gentle, stabilized vitamin C formula. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.